lang po ang haul natin from Robinsons in Star Mills, San Fernando. So, ano ba yung haul natin? Yung haul natin is for our dear Alonso Girls. So, dadagdagan pa natin ang kanyang collection of Lego or blocks. Ayan, 400 pieces. Ibibigay natin multi-blocks yan para ma-develop pa natin ang creativity, challenging task for Alonso. Ayan po. Sana magustuhan mo, Alonso, ang ating pasalubong haul from Robinsons Star Mills in San Fernando, Pampanga. Thank you for watching, friends. See you on our next video.